go.
Good morning.
Morning. Look at me with my hair down and my lipstick on.
We are in San Juan, Puerto Rico today.
We are.
We're staying here at the Courtyard Marriott in downtown San Juan. And we are going to El Yunque, right?
I have no idea.
El
where we're
Yunque,
going.
it's a national park here. It's supposed to have waterfalls and rock slides and all kinds of cool stuff. So we're taking you guys along with us to see what we see.
Yeah.
So show
It's
you
very
some.
early,
It is. It's like 6:45 in the morning.
which is an hour ahead of what we're used to.
Yeah,
And so-
5:45 our time, but
Yes.
that's all right.
Yeah, but we're ready to go. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a good, few hours, I think.
Yeah, I think it's about a half-day excursion. We're being picked up from the hotel. We went out there. We're gonna play, have fun, see what we can do. Then we'll be back to the hotel and change for the rest of the day. So-
Come with us because we're going to have so much fun.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be cool. Here we go.
Living free, that's the way we'll be. Island cruisers on a wave so strong. Sipping on beer as we sail along. Pickleball love with a drop shot tune. Dancing through life neath the coconut.
So we have arrived at our starting point for this hike. It took us about an hour to get here, and
It's quite a ride in my brain.
yeah, just getting all loaded up. Life vest, backpack. I think he's getting us life vests as well. I'm not sure what this all entails, but it's
know.
gonna be fun.
What did Kendra get us into?
I don't know.
Okay, so I'm a little nervous right now. Yeah. To see what we're about to get into.
Should be interesting.
Before and after?
Far away from it.
Okay.
To understand Puerto Rico and understand the rainforest, I had to explain a couple things.
Okay.
First of all, like I said, this mountain, they got 8 towns around. This mountain is completely separate than the rest. Record, something happened. This guy got evidence.
Cabs don't go past each other in this.
So I am not steady climbing or doing anything like that because I've been afraid of heights and fallen so many times that I am like, and that was like the first time I actually rocked climb.
All right.
Yeah, I had some help, but you know, he's like left foot here, right foot here, 2 hands on the rocks. So I did it.
Yeah, made it.
My heart level is elevated. Yeah, no shit.
Woo!
So my wet sneakers was the least of my problem.
Well, I just made a very disappointing realization a few minutes ago.
Lori's still smiling. So
Yeah.
That's because that's me.
I forgot to bring our mics this week, so you're going to have to bear with us on the audio and your ability to hear us above the background noise.
You have to work that magic on the editing for it. He told me today he shoots to edit, so there you go.
We had such a great time earlier.
Oh my God!
Of course
we need to recap later, like a full recap.
We were using the action cam and no mics because we were in the water. So, but it was a great time. Even though we were a little bit concerned about what we were doing,
Like, we didn't know.
we had no idea that we were hiking up this mountain and rock climbing and doing all this other stuff
Without harnesses.
Yeah, and it's like, okay, not really my comfort zone. I was worried the whole time that
I was gonna fall off.
that Lori was going to fall on some rocks or something.
Yes.
But it turned out okay, and we had a great time.
There was one part where you could put this in later that I went a different way from everybody else, and they were like, "Why did you go that way?" I go, "Well, what were they supposed to go?" They're like, "You were supposed to go over there." I was like, "That was too close to the edge for me," so I went the other way.
Yep.
And found a way.
So, we have got our group together here. We're all heading down to Old San Juan.
I don't know if all of us are coming. I think we're gonna be down too.
Okay. And we're going to go to Cayo Caribe.
I'm still going to remember.
Which-
I had to say it.
Well, I actually just edited the video for that.
Oh,
But, which we discovered the last time we were here in San Juan and really loved it.
and if you know us, we like to go back to our favorite spots.
Yeah, if you have a place that you really like, let's go back. I mean, you can try new stuff, sure, but
And we did.
yeah, we
That's
have
nice.
tried some new stuff, but you know, those crazy shrimp tacos were just to die for.
Crazy. They were crazy.
Yeah, I mean, be hard pressed to get anything else, but
I'm gonna get the skirt steak again, but I think I might get one crazy taco because they were
if you
best.
can.
They're fantastic.
All right, so here we go. What's that? There are those crazy shrimp tacos. Yeah, buddy.
Speaking loud enough.
I've been looking forward to this.
Since November.
So here's the thing, guys. I thought that was slaw of some kind on top of the shrimp. But it's actually some kind of like imitation crab meat. And whatever it is really good. Look at this. That is the can. A 2-pound pork chop. Woo. Wow. And Laurie got the skirt steak again.
It was so good.
Veggies.
It was so good.
And this is a skirt steak risotto.
Dinner did not disappoint at all.
No, it did not.
Just no water.
The crazy shrimp tacos and the crazy fish tacos that were purchased on the other side of the table were very good. You know, I always thought that they had slaw on the top, but it was not slaw. It's some kind of fake crab meat.
I guess
So,
you figured that out. Non-complex taste buds over here.
yeah. So, very good. My skirt steak risotto, well,
It's good.
it was good.
It wasn't what you expected, so
Yeah, I was trying to find the paella, but I should have just asked instead of ordering randomly off the menu. But so it goes.
I got the skirt steak again.
All the food was very good.
Yeah, very good. There was that pork chop over there.
Oh,
You
yeah.
tried that, right?
The canned pork chop, 2 pound pork
2
chop.
pounds.
Yeah, it was a big boy.
From peaks to tides, mountains to sea cruise.